What's up, fam? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, thank you so much for coming, and please remember to subscribe. If it's your second time or third time, kisses to you. The last video I did was about the things to consider when you're looking for a mentor. On today's video, I want to share with you places where you can find these mentors. The first place that you can find your mentor is from your family members or from friends. Yes, I've grouped them together because I think the two are one. You can have family members who are your friends, or you can have friends who become family. Yes. Yeah, so growing up, of course, there's usually someone in your family who you are always looking up to. It can be your dad, it can be your mother, it can be your uncle. Like now in my case, there's usually one of my cousins who I admire so much on how she does everything that she's doing, and I just feel like, you know, I just want to try and even achieve what she has achieved up to now, even just halfway. If you're watching this and you're that cousin of mine, by the way, respect to you. Yes. And another place that you can find a mentor is from your friends. Of course, within your circle. Again, there's a time I said that if you want to grow in life and as a business person, you need to hang out with the right people who can help you grow as a person and as a business person. When it comes to friends, yes, friends are not always on the same level. There's a friend who's doing way better than you, and then maybe you're here, you're also trying to learn. This person who's up here and there's something that they're doing better, there's something that they're doing right, or there's just something. Tell them to help you, like mentor you on how to become a better person, just like them. Because I don't think it's good to have people, like have a group of people who you don't grow each other. If you're my friend out there, if there's one thing I want for you, is to grow, so that when you're up there, they usually say once you're up there, sometimes you can't know who your legit friends are. So when you can grow together with these friends of yours and just, you know, just build each other, and then when you're up there, you still have your circle up there with you. I think that is just my number one rule when it comes to friends and building each other. I think I've explained that point. You can find your mentor from either friends or family. The second place that you can find your mentor is from your previous employers. Yes. The reason why I'm saying this is because these people saw something in you and give you a chance to join them and grow with them, you know. So first of all, they believe in you. So getting them as your mentor is such a good thing because they know how you operate. Because, I mean, when you work for someone and you've been working there for quite a number of time, they know you, like they know your character, they know your personality, they know your strengths, they know your weaknesses, you know. So these are places that you can find your mentors. And if there's one thing that I always say to people, just make sure that you're in good terms with your former bosses. Like when you're leaving, don't burn bridges. Just make sure that you're in good terms, because you never know whether they're going to be your mentor, maybe the next client. You never know, maybe business partner. You never know. Yeah? So please, employers, they can also be your mentors. Point number 3, where you can find your mentor, is through all these networking events. First of all, networking events are not meant for just going to eat free food. You're supposed to go there and network, get to connect with other people, you understand, who can help you, can change you, can make you grow into a better person. That's what networking events are all for. And something I would advise you when you're going for networking events, if you're going with a friend, please try and sit on different tables. And the reason I'm saying that is because when you sit on different tables, you'll be able to interact with other people. But there are people who, when you go for these events, then you see people who've walked in together, the whole entire session, they're always together, like they're just together, you know. They're not leaving each other, they're not doing the networking thing, you know. They're just stuck to one another. No, sit far apart from each other and make sure that by the time you leave there, when you're going for these networking events, have a target of reaching, like maybe talking to 5 people, getting business cards from 6 people. Inside those networking events, you definitely either find yourself a mentor, maybe the speaker or someone you've just interacted with who's doing something better, or maybe doing the same thing that you're doing, that is, you know, and they are smart when it comes to it. They're an expert. No, they're an expert, not with quotes, an expert. They're an expert in that thing. So yeah, that's another place to find your mentor. The fourth place where you can find your mentor is through social media. You can find a mentor from Instagram, depending on what you're doing. If you're a model, for example, and there's also another model who've got a page on Instagram, and whatever they post is really, really nice. How they pose for their pictures, how they market themselves, how they package themselves, you know. You can just DM them and get to talk to them about mentoring you, or just making you become, at least if not what they are, better than what they are, you understand. So that's another place where you can find your mentor. And if you want to look at it on the professional way, there are 2 social media platforms that are great players when it comes to linking professionals, and I'm talking about LinkedIn and Twitter. About Twitter, I'll just take a pause because I'm not very active when it comes to Twitter, but LinkedIn, yes. LinkedIn, I think, is very good, and they're really, really growing, and of late I've been getting a lot of notification from LinkedIn. Like when someone likes your picture, you'll be able to see. When someone view your page, you'll be able to see. When someone, when it comes to these other handles, like on Instagram or Facebook, whenever someone view your pictures or something like that, you never get notification at all. So I think LinkedIn is such a place where if you're a professional out there, you just need to join. If you're a business person, you need to join. You will hire people from there. There's so much that you can do from LinkedIn, and sometimes you can also get your mentor from there, because there are people who, when you look at their profiles, you're like, oh wow, I want to work closely with this person. So yeah, LinkedIn is another place. Like social media is a place where you can get a mentor from. My 5th point is during public speaking events. Maybe you attend this conference that is coming in KICC, where you have different speakers who are coming to speak to you guys. At the end of the session, you can just approach them and tell them about yourself, and then ask them if they can be your mentor, if you like what you had, and if they have a mentorship program that is going on that they can just add you. Such thing, guys. The 6th point on this is learning institution is a place where you can find a mentor. There was a time I used to be in NIBS, and the principal for NIBS, a lady called Liz, I can't remember the second name, but I remember when I was in NIBS, I was crowned Miss NIBS for a certain year. Yeah, they thought I was the prettiest in that school, lol. Anyway, so I was crowned Miss NIBS, and during that time I was able to interact with the principal. Like, we clicked so much, and I used to learn so much from that lady. And the other day I went to do some work somewhere outside Nairobi, I think in Thika, and I passed through Ruiru. Ruiru is where the main campus for NIBS is, and when I saw it, I saw a huge building. That school has really expanded, because I remember the last time I was there, I'd gone for my graduation, the main campus in Ruiru. So I saw it and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm so amazed at what this lady has done. Like, there's just something that she's doing right, and there's so many branches of NIBS all over. So I'm like, wow, like, yeah. So this is someone who I won't mind if they're my mentors, like if I get to work closely with them when it comes to my business life, because there's something that they're doing right. So yes, you can find your mentor in learning institutions. My last point on places where you can find your mentor is everywhere and anywhere. Yeah, maybe you're on a plane, you're going somewhere, the person you sit next to, you get to click, and there's something, they share with you what they're doing. You never know. Yeah, maybe you're somewhere lying at the beach, and there's someone who is doing yoga somewhere there, and you're so much into yoga, you want to be a yogi. You can talk to them and they can be your mentor. Maybe you can even be in a club dancing, and there's someone else who's really chucking some moves, and you love dancing, and that is your career. You can just approach them and they'll be your mentor. So it doesn't matter. Like, mentors, you can find them from everywhere and anywhere. So if you've watched this video until this point, thank you so much for coming and staying on my channel. In case you didn't know, this channel is all about building each other, talking about my entrepreneurship experience, like entrepreneurship through my eyes, and just sharing different things that I've been learning, and that can help you if you're starting your business, or maybe if you're employed and you're thinking of getting into business, or maybe if you're still in school and you want to become your own boss in future. So yeah, that's what this channel is all about. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly press the button that you're seeing up there. If you like it, remember to thumbs up, and until next time, guys, kisses.